Hey my peeps, morning marination kitchen here again with you. Here I cook some yellow rice with vegetables, fluffy nice rice. Sumptuous, delicious. Hey. Anybody wanna have lunch with me? Link me up. Yeah, nice yellow rice, yeah? That's for lunch today. Nice. Beautiful. Easy and simple. Easy and simple, man. Nothing hard. Yeah? Yeah, man. Check it out. See? With some nice stewed chicken. Stewed chicken with vegetables also, my peppers and onions and tomatoes and stuff. Very nice. Delicious. Yeah, man. See me? Easy and simple. That we say easy and simple. Yeah. Nice yellow rice over here with vegetables with some stewed chicken. Yeah. That we are dealing with today. See me? Yeah. Check it out. Link me up. Yeah. Okay. That's it for today. Have a good day, my friends. See you later.